You've been played, used, overlooked, disrespected, but now it's time to change. No more being soft, no more second chances. It's time to become cold, silent, untouchable. The first step? Stop bowing to anyone. You are not beneath anyone. Hold your head high. Walk with presence. Speak less. Smile less. Smiling too much makes you look like you're seeking approval. Stop that. You don't need validation. Don't offer comfort to everyone. Let people feel your strength without words. Let your silence speak louder than their noise. The coldest men don't beg for respect. They command it just by being in the room. Be unpredictable. Stop being available to everyone. While they waste time chasing attention, you're building in silence. While they scroll and post, you're disappearing, working, evolving. Let them wonder where you are and what you're planning. Don't show your moves, show your results. Cold men don't explain their hustle. They let their success do the talking. And here's the most important part. Stop trusting too easily. Just observe. People will change the moment you stop being useful to them. Watch how they behave when you're not around. That's where the truth lives. Trust must be earned. Loyalty is rare. Don't react to betrayal. Just cut the cord. No arguments, no explanations, no closure, just silence. Move on. You don't need to become heartless. You just need to stop letting people take advantage of your heart. This is the cold version of you. Not cruel, not bitter, just wiser, more focused, and unshakably strong.